Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Calumet's second quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Calumet has released its Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their net loss to strategic initiatives in their specialties and renewable segments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Calumet reported a net loss of $147.9 million for Q2 2025, translating to a basic loss per share of $1.70. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
It's a significant increase in net loss compared to the $39.1 million loss in the same quarter last year. However, their adjusted EBITDA with tax attributes was $76.5 million, showing some resilience in their operations despite the losses.
What about their cost management strategies?
Calumet's cost reduction initiatives are ahead of schedule, delivering $42 million in operating cost savings year over year, which is a positive sign of their operational efficiency.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Calumet's specialties and renewables segments seem to be key focus areas. Can you elaborate on their performance and strategic goals?
Absolutely. The specialties segment showed significant margin expansion and strong sales volumes, even with a planned turnaround at their Shreveport facility. Montana Renewables achieved record operational performance, with operating costs dropping to 43 cents per gallon, the lowest since its launch.
And what about their future plans?
They're on track to achieve 120 to 150 million gallons of annualized SAF production by Q2 2026, which is part of their max SAF expansion. This aligns with their strategic objectives to enhance their capital structure and improve cash flow.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 44, but the actual EPS came in at $1.70. What does this discrepancy indicate?
This significant miss indicates challenges in managing costs and achieving expected revenue targets. The market might react negatively to such a miss, but it's crucial to consider the broader context of their strategic initiatives and cost-saving measures.
CEO's perspective and future outlook. CEO Todd Borgmann mentioned several strategic points in the report. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Borgmann highlighted the strength in their specialties business and the record performance at Montana Renewables. He emphasized the supportive regulatory environment for renewables and their progress in enhancing the capital structure by calling $230 million of 2026 senior notes.
How does this position Calumet for the future?
These initiatives are aimed at improving their cash flow and reducing debt, which should position them well for future growth, especially in the renewables sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, Calumet's Q2 2025 results show a challenging quarter with a significant net loss, but also highlight strategic progress in cost savings and renewables. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
While the EPS miss is concerning, their strategic initiatives and cost management efforts are promising. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in the renewables sector and their ability to manage costs effectively.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Calumet's performance in the comments below.